G'day sawdust makers. Quick one today that I've just sort of thought of. My Ryobi belt and disc sander. This has actually been a very good unit. It's cheap. I've had it for 4 years now, I think. I've got 216 of these little things that I'm sanding. And I've absolutely cooked this disc. It smells like burning. Yesterday, had a bit of a play around. I blew a ton of gunk out of there with my air gun, which is a good reminder to give your tools a bit of a, good clean out. I want to replace this wheel, and the manual that I got from Ryobi with the machine explains in detail how to change the belt. But this little boy down here does not say a thing about how to change that. I'm going to figure out how to take that off, and you're going to come with me. We're going to learn this together. My worst fears were that it's glued on, which it is. So replacement sandpaper, all I could get was the velcro sort. I don't think we can call it velcro. Hook and loop, not velcro. But I found a hook and loop converter pad. This is bigger than what I need. I'll be able to cut that. I hope, fingers crossed, I can get that cooked old disc off, replace it with velcro, and then get going. Let's see how this works. Brand new. I only got this a few weeks ago for my birthday. It's a heat gun. We're going to try and heat this up. Basically, we're going to heat up the glue. Paint scrapery, spatula type jabber, scraper, and pull the disc away. So now I did see a tip that as you're trying to jab and scrape that off, there's a lot of movement. So I've grabbed the best thing I could find off the floor, this little chip, and I'm going to wedge it under here, which will stop that from moving. Hopefully I won't set the place on fire. We want a bit of a consistent heat all around, otherwise the thing's probably going to get red hot. I can give you the benefit of hindsight and tell you that I'm holding the heat gun far too close for far too long. Now you'll see my surprise. It's working already, look. It's coming off so quick. I can't believe it's coming off so quick. Because I've got that thing so hot. That glue has melted in an instant. And I don't recommend it. How quick was that? All the glue's actually still stuck to the thing. But look, stripped it easy as. Hacking away at this, but I'm just making a mess. So waited for this to cool down. It did actually get pretty warm. Got a rag, gonna grab some terps, clean that up. Cleaning this glue off was a huge pain in the bum. With the benefit of hindsight, the Velcro pad that I need to put on here has a glue backing. So part of me thinks that I could have left the glue on there and just stuck the new pad straight over the top. I don't know if that would have saved me a whole lot of time or maybe cost me time down the track because it might have failed. Either way, if you know the answer to this, please let me know in the comments. I cleaned that up with the metho or the terps or whatever one it was. It is absolutely as clean as it's going to get. And I've got sanding to do. So we've got our velvet hook and loop converter pad, which is a fair bit bigger. However, what was good is, look at that, seriously. Whoops. Actually, I'll use a new one. Oh, it's got an actual size. But I'm going to cheat. Just go. Come on. We're going to whack this baby face down. This one over the top. I'm going to trace around it. And then I'll know exactly what it's supposed to cut. Perfect! Now you only get one go to get this on, right? So let's not stuff this up. Now I can change grits whenever I want, or at least next time I have to change it, I don't have to muck around with a heat gun. Now that that's done, I can get back to sanding my 216 individual blocks. Thanks for watching. I'm Rhino from Oz Sawdust Makers.